Welcome back to the arena. A1 was just a warm-up, but now, the real game begins. We are stepping into the A2 conjunctions territory. But hold on, if you haven't crushed our A1 challenge yet, don't jump the gun. You might want to check the card right above first to see if you can actually handle the basics. Go ahead, I'll wait. Still here? Good. That means you're ready for the 10 logic shredding questions I've prepared. Just a warning. Question number 5 is a total career ender. Only 10% will survive this without a scratch. Are you ready to dominate, or are you just here to fail? Let's find out. Don't fall for it. The phone rang, that's a short action, but having a shower is a continuous process. When we talk about two actions happening at the same time, one being long and one being short, we use while for the long one. 1 down, 9 to go. Focus. You can't start a sentence with but in formal grammar. We need to show contrast right at the beginning. Although is your best weapon here. It shows that the rain didn't stop the fun. The answer is unless. Think of it as if not. If you don't study, you fail. Simple logic, right? But many beginners use if here and get it wrong. After the blank, we only have a noun, the storm. There is no verb here. That means because is wrong. You need because of. It's a small detail, but it separates the masters from the amateurs. Attention! This is the ultimate trap. Why isn't the answer but? Look at the period before the blank and the comma right after it. In formal English, we don't start a sentence with but followed by a comma. We need the transition master. However, did the punctuation catch you off guard? Be honest in the comments who fell for A. Timing is everything. You aren't going to call while you get results. That's impossible. You'll do it immediately after. We are talking about a time limit. You stay, and the stopping point is the end of the rain. We use until to mark that boundary. Money doesn't buy happiness, and it doesn't buy a correct answer either. Even though is like although, but stronger. It highlights the big surprise in the situation. Why did he study? What was his goal? We use so, that to explain the purpose of an action. It's a classic A2 structure. Don't let the so fool you. It needs the that to show the goal. Final question. We are giving 2 positive traits. He is 2 things at the same time. Both and is the perfect pair for this. The A2 arena is closed for today. How many did you get right? Did you survive the punctuation trap in question 5? Or are you going back to A1? Write your score in the comments and let the world see your level. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit the like button and subscribe for the next battle. See you in the next video. Stay sharp and keep testing.